Oh, really? I'm a faggot. That's right. I'm a cunt. I'm a faggot. Oh, what else am I? Am I a lifeless nobody? Am I a monster? What was the point of going to IB if we couldn't catch anything? Milk. Huh? You're gonna catch the beautiful Dilophosaur. Don't get so angry. I promise I'll make it fun. Why do you want me to catch the Dilophosaur? And that, I want you to take my butler with you, and you're gonna catch it. You and Jones are gonna get the Rex. I could just imagine it. 2 people failed at doing this, but no, not me. I'll make my own exhibit at my own house. I'll do anything for it. The monster. Here we go again with the names. Go now! Of course, I will give you this weapon. Treat this weapon with respect. It's a high target. Leader.